sias o siana tau taina tau anu sila. I e fia te ki polo kala mako e. Ka koe ngāu e ko whaatahe o kua atu kai paisteni. Ke ngāu e a KCSE, mo kai e tau anu tau pe. Ka ngāu tau kai na Pasifika. Ke whahoko ai e o ngongo le rei e pureana. When you fall for her, you have a lot of fire. Alright, Palestine, go do it again. Manatu be ki sanuari wa fulu. Na plele tuai ki family tu ako e. Ki fahau ko e apsida tu ai family. Pena kai ke fetala noa ke tiko e ai apsia. Ana fahau ko atu. O ko faamu ke foki mai ke siasi. O ngau e o foki katoa. O ngā tare ni ti. Ngai mea nā kuako mo tau kei ai. Ke mea ngāwe aki au. E heo tuai hono siasi. I hea hoi. Ko whawhita ilahi ki te takia e ki. Ko whaatahi o tua. Ai mea ngāwe ko eni. Ko whailo hingoa. Ko i mālo television. Pe koe. Mea ngāwe whamafora atalea. O hingoa koe mālo. O te taki pot fola sāme te ani mama furu. Koe whamā opo ia sāme. Vesi whakaosi. Ilonga ha mea mānawa. Ke ni whai e whamālo ia o ia. Hallelujah. Ka poke mua e whainu mali e. Tana dai paisten. Ke whai a whakao hai me ea whapitania. Koe uhi koe tau. Ngahi kau ngā whanonga. Kai ke nau laweki. Ai ki whainu mali e koe. When you eat a mata television, I follow happen. Malo TV is one of the biggest miracles in my life, amongst many. 7 years ago, I came to reside in this country with my family. I had no job, and I do not have a job. How on earth one can come up with something like this? It's just the mighty hand of God. And if I can sum up with just 3 little words, all I can say, congregation today, and our church, God is faithful. And Job rightly put it, my Redeemer lives. He is alive. I have a very special guest with me, President, as she said, Jenny Salesa, from the one and only, from the Parliament of New Zealand. And your presence here brings the whole government, because Labour is going to be our next government, isn't it? And also Andrew Duhy of Aerial Direct and his staff will come and do most of the work to install your equipment in your house to watch Malo TV. The one Pasifika Tongan TV channel, together with the Tongan radio channel, all around New Zealand, direct from the satellite, and Australia as well. It started about 5 years ago with Tamawi Radio, and it was broadcast from the satellite about 2 years ago. But now we have Malo TV, and this is a Tongan language program to start with. I didn't do this. It's just God. I'm just a humble instrument in the mighty hand of the wisdom God. If I don't know where I am, we had Moki family, my family, I'm going to go in, Lady Paong, a behe, a soan, and Galahad, and Kapo. And when he told her, go to high Toma, Benny Mountain, of Maulotola, in Mount Fata, of Fire Maui, of Malawa, it's a good way again. Again, if I don't know, I found out when I found Malo, Kiki, Rotoida, Maui, they may never found out.
Ke nau aunga, ki ka kai tonga to lai, ko ka kai ki ke, ka kai ngana be tonga, kai muni ko. Ko ya oni ko fai le wasu mua ne ata tampe. Si tunga matuan, ko tamai ko kau na ma tu na asan. Na pore dagi ke fai nga o toi, ke ata mo lea, ke whanau pe mamata ki kai, ka ke nau tui, o ke ai tua ko ya